I feel that the better we all do, it helps everybody out. So sharing information, talking to everybody, it's been great. When we get together once a year for an annual meeting, we always find that to be almost more, having more information that we're sharing and being together with the other franchise owners as it is important what we're learning at the meeting. Keeping people at home has seemed to be the key going on. So that's going to increase just on the steady business that we're doing now. The commercial end of it will grow. Every business's companies are required now to have full handicap accessibility. So that is a business that will grow on there. And that's where I see our business taking the next major leap.
If you're interested in joining our Amramp team as our franchise partner, please call 888-887-1186 or visit our website franchise.amramp.com.